This is one of the most creative and coolest little collapsible water bottles I've seen. Check this out. So, you know, you want to save some space and have a water bottle. Look at this. This would be perfect for traveling. Now you have a water bottle. We can open up this part and let some air in. So you can fill this thing up and there's your water bottle right there. And you can even collapse it as you're drinking it. So if you want to save a little bit of space and you only have that much left, you can do that, or even do a little bit more. And that works. It has this rubber band around it so that you can hold it in place. And it does come with an extra one just in case. So with this rubber band, you kind of flip it around from one side to the other and it holds it in place just like that. When you're not using that, you can use it just as a handle to hold on to. And yeah, you can open this part up and fill up your liquid that you want to drink. And it has a really nice seal on it, so it's going to keep it from spilling. It's really cool. I love how this collapses. It's so quick and so easy to use and perfect for traveling or hiking. And the quality of this part is really nice. Like in your hands, you can feel it. It's really solid. It's like a silicone, but just really, really tough. So it just looks really cool, and I love how it folds down like so easily and quick. I highly recommend this, and thanks for watching.